Okay, everyone, so this video is going to show you guys how you can add a video like this from YouTube or from your Google Drive, and then how to have clip art on here that has animations to it so you can make your Google Slides a little bit more engaging. So we're going to have a race to 100. I'm going to tell the student ready, set, go, and we are off and running. They are saying lamb, 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 lamb. Okay, so as you can see, when we saw the Google presentation in edit mode, you could see all the check marks. But when we click present mode, it now has code embedded to have the clip art pop up based on what we have programmed it to do. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I think it's thinking. All right. So to add a video, you're going to go to insert. And anything that you want to insert, you're just going to go to insert and you're going to go to video. Now you can search YouTube, but you can also just copy and paste the URL that you want. So if I go to YouTube and type in 1 minute timer, come back here, copy and paste it inside. It now found the video. I clicked select. Now this is too big for what I want, so we're going to make it smaller and put it where we want it to go on the slide. Now, so for the slide here, the child cannot delete this slide. What I did was I made this in PowerPoint. You can definitely make this on a Google slide, but I did it on PowerPoint because I wanted certain fonts and stuff, and then I saved it as a ping image, and then you go to change background and you choose image, and then you go and upload from your files. But you can also upload from a Google image search, from Google Drive, to change that photo background. And what else was I going to say? Oh, that was what I was going to say. If you create something in Google Slides and you want it not to move, you don't want your students to delete it, you're going to go to download, and then you'll download the one slide as a ping image or a JPEG image. Okay, so right now, as you can see here, when I put it into present and I click it, the slide, the check marks appear when I click with the mouse. So in order to do that, all I did was I inserted an image. I inserted my clip art checkbox image. You can insert a shape, an arrow. So let's say you want to insert an arrow and you want to link to the next slide. You would go to insert, link, and insert to the slide 1. So now if this is clicked, you can go back to the other slide. Okay, so you can link your slides. You can do all sorts of fancy stuff. So today we're going to show you how to link or how to animate these check boxes, right? So we're going to insert, click image. You can either upload from your computer or you can search the web. So we're going to search the web for check marks. And I am going to pick this green check box. It's very, very big, so we are going to size it down so it fits in the box. Okay, we are going to animate that. So if you see over here, I'm not going to have it fade in. I want it to appear on the click, and I want it to go pretty fast, so I'm going to move it all the way over. So then we're going to click play to see how it looks. So they're practicing. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? So to do more check boxes, I'm just going to control copy and paste. And now I'm pasting down the boxes. Okay. Now this, I'm going to click the image I want to animate. So I have my checkbox and I'm going to come over here and add animation. Again, I'm going to change it to appear. I want it to happen on a click, and it is now animated. Then I go to the next one, add animation, appear, on click. Then we go to the next one, and I'm going to show you for this one just the purposes of the different things. I want it to fly in from the right, and we'll have it fly, you know, after the previous one, and I'll show you what that looks like. So now we're going to test out the animation. As you can see, these check marks have not been animated, so they're just going to show up when I'm in present mode. And so here we go. See how these two came at the same time? That was because I put after the previous one. So that just is an example for you. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions about creating your Google Slides, and yeah, good luck. I want to know all your creative moves, so put them in the comments, share a post in the challenge. We'd love to see it.